In this video, I'll show you how you can filter jobs on LinkedIn. So it's very simple. Once you are on home page, you want to go to these jobs on the top. So click on jobs. And from here, what you need to do, you can search for job by title, skill, or company. Or you can even search it by city, state, or zip code. For example, where you want to work. So you can type exact city. Now let's say I'm gonna type here content creator. Content creator, and I'm gonna click on it, and this opened 12 results. So as you can see, those are all content creator jobs. Now what you can do, you can filter by date posted, so anytime, past month, or past 24 hours. So let's say I'm gonna choose past week, and as you can see from 12 results, there are only 9. So I'm gonna click on it. And those 9 results are posted by last week. Now you can choose experience level. So for example, associate. Those are only 2 jobs. You can also choose entry level. So let's say I'm gonna choose entry level, 4 jobs. So those are entry level jobs. Then you can search for company. There is only one, this Twine. And you can also choose a remote. So it's going to be from home or on site. Now what you can do, you can, let's say, open this content creator, and from here you can read through the job. So there is some description about the job. If you have premium on LinkedIn, you can also see how many candidates applied for this job. So you can see 35 people applied. You also see 55% of them was entry-level candidates. And if you want to apply for this job, you are just going to click on apply button. Now, what you need to do is you need to enter your email, and then you are going to fill all details. As you can see, apply in 1 or 2 minutes. So from here you can apply for this job. That's it. That's how you can filter and apply for a job at LinkedIn. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.